I'm Steve Kramer of the Kramer Law Firm. I'm a Florida criminal defense attorney and I handle DUIs. And today's topic is the question. I was stopped by a police officer and blew a .07 on the breathalyzer test. What's next? Well, let's talk about that. There is a presumption that you are driving under the influence when you blow a .08 or above. But in the situation here, we're talking about blowing a .07. Now, even though you blew under the legal limit, the police may still arrest you. They may still charge you with DUI because they're going to look at the totality of the circumstances. They're going to look at the driving pattern. They're going to look at how you do on the field sobriety tests, those field sobriety exercises that you did when you were pulled over. Or they might also want an additional sample. Perhaps they think that you were taking some kind of medication that might impair your facilities to drive. So they might ask for a urine test or a blood test. The bottom line is that a breath test is not going to be the only definitive piece of evidence that determines whether you're charged with DUI or not. And that's important too, because that's going to affect our strategy at trial. Just as there is a presumption that you're above .08, that you are DUI, driving under the influence, doesn't mean that you're automatically convicted. Doesn't mean that there's not a reasonable doubt there. And whatever you blew, we're going to have an opportunity to refute that blow by the other evidence out there. Why am I going to tell this information? Because I deal with this every day, and this is information that you need to know. What we're here to do is help you evaluate your case and give you good advice. Call me anytime. I'm glad to talk about your case. My number's below. Call me now. Also, if you're watching this video on Facebook or YouTube, go ahead and click the like button below. That way your friends and family can benefit from the information that I'm giving you right now. Thanks for watching. I'm Steve Kramer of the Kramer Law Firm.